Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening kung saan dako man kayo ng mundo naroroon. But anyway, it's another grocery day na naman for us guys. But before we went shopping, nag-stop by muna kami sa Pizza Hut to have our lunch. So I got my carbonara, Rachel got spaghetti bolognese for herself, and ang asawa ko naman ay nag-order ng Supreme. Ayan, and meron din kaming creamy mushroom soup for ourselves. And then, nag-order na kami ng lemon juice, guys, from Lemon na Bay. Very flavorful yung kanilang lemon juice. Kaya, nag-order na kami before kami pumunta ng Pizza Hut. And then, after namin kumain, dumiretso na kami sa Robinsons Mall para mag-grocery. Mas maganda kasi yung supermarket nila dito guys kasi hindi masyadong crowded. So anyway, bili-bili na tayo ng mga vegetables. Ayan, meron tayong tanglad or lemongrass, and then bumili din kami ng salad kasi medyo matagal na kami hindi nakakain ng salad. And meron tayo ditong vegetables guys. Ayan, pang madali ang luto na naman. And we have some small potatoes na ginagamit namin for breakfast, and meron din tayong malalaking potatoes guys kasi I'm planning to make a fritada. So, balik na naman kami dito sa KCC. I like this area right here, guys, kasi meron talaga silang nilagay na designated parking space for the motorcycles. Ayan. Hindi ko kasi yan na-notice nung umalis ako ng Pinas. But anyway, we are back here kasi we are planning to buy a printer kasi I need to print some curriculums for Rachel's Language and Arts kasi medyo mahal talaga, guys, kapag like if I buy it straight from the company itself. Yan, so since meron naman silang free anong tawag doon, PDF, so kaya we decided to just print them. Dito tayo guys. Ticket. So hindi na kasi magamit yung printer namin yung galing sa sa US. Hindi siya compatible sa mga ink dito, kaya ayan. So maghahanap tayo ng printer na yung pwede tayong mag-subscribe sa ink delivery, ganun, or ink refill. Yan. Para makamura ba kasi if you're a homeschooling mom, kailangan mo talagang mag-print ng marami. There goes my daughter. Kailangan ko pang i-brush yung hair niya kasi nagmamadali na kami. Yan. Let's find some spot. Over here. That's not meant for you, Daddy. Call the secretary.
Picked up the bonus for this week. There's no bonus this week.
You better be swift so you can get a spot.
Suavemente, eslave. That's how I say I better be suavemente, suave.
My favorite song, that's our favorite song. Nakikita na tayo ng spot dito. So maghahanap din kami pala guys ng isa pang fan. Actually dalawa, pero isa-isa lang muna kay hindi tayo mayaman do. So maghahanap kami ng isa pang fan para sa sa room ni Rachel. Kay init kaayo guys. So yung bibilhin namin is yung anong tawag doon, Daddy? Rechargeable fan. Yeah, rechargeable fan.
The
may
power
range.
goes up. You still have a fan when it's real hot.
Yeah. Anyway, let me fix her hair a little bit because I don't want my daughter walking with her hair like that. Record ta ka ha?
So, Rachel,
Gusto ni Rachel ang gitara. That's the price. Ganyan guys. Pero murag pricey siya. As of right now, as of this moment, murag pricey siya. Naghahanap kami ng printer. May nakita na kami dito, yung yung mura lang siya. Ito yung printer, oh. Yan siya. HP. So, 6,929 pesos na siya. And then, so, pwede kang makapag-print, pwede kang, and then wireless siya. I-check muna natin. Okay. So, he's gonna demonstrate how to put the ink. This is how it looks.
Tatlo sulat konjo sa kasit ni
Don't pour it in there, okay? So just pour it in there.
Yes, depend.
Just
Depends on the
put
color.
Yeah.
Oh, all right. Okay.
If you know at your office
Wala
or
siya
house,
madali.
you can
You can- So, ilalagay niyo yung cartridge. Oo, sure. Thank you, Kaayo.
Sa unit, we have 7 days replacement for factory defect and on the 1 year warranty.
1 year factory.
1 year factory defect.
Replacement
This is defect on within 1 year. It's going to free service, free replace.
So, ito na yung printer na ipinalit namin sa naunang printer, guys. Oh, so, this is HP Smart Tank 580. So, we only had to pay an additional 2,000 pesos on top of the price of the first printer na pinurchase namin. So, maganda ito kasi yung features niya ay pwede kang mag-print, mag-scan, and you can also make a photocopy. Unlike the other one that we purchased originally, you can only print. So this is,
Video for your log in here.
of
So
course,
what we're gonna order.
yeah. So,
Alright, so this is what we're gonna order today. We're gonna get an iced tea pitcher. Clean the 15 for the 19 pesos. We're gonna try to see if they have this. Lately they haven't been having it. Even at the other pizza hut in Manila. We'll definitely get a garlic, parmesan, 1-piece fried chicken with rice.
no, I'm not gonna get that anymore.
Oh, that's right. Garlic parmesan, cream, regular, or none.
For 09 only. And still gonna get
Mushroom soup. I said soup.
you're becoming like me now.
And one garlic bread
Wonder.
with
How much is their salad? Because we got the salad the last time.
single is 119.
Okay. Alright, na. Balik na naman kami dito, guys. Ayan. So, if you wanna know about us. So, this is our place, guys. This is Daddy's favorite place. Right, Daddy?
Yes, definitely.
Okay, guys. Kain muna tayo nito, guys. Ayan. So, this is the cream of mushroom soup. Ito yung order namin, guys. Ayan, chicken. Ayan. And, let me see that. Let me show them. Sorry. Garlic bread. Garlic parmesan. And, ito yung chicken parmesan natin. Masarap.
Pwede ko mag-picture mo? Picture lang ako for Daddy, just ask me if you can take a photo.
Okay. Is it okay?
Anyway, nandito na kami sa aming car. Charot, sa aming car. Pupunta kami ng Home Depot kasi maghahanap kami ng fan, yung rechargeable fan para sa room ni Rachel. Yeah. So, nag-enjoy kami sa food namin doon sa Pizza Hut. You're buckled up.
Yes.
Yeah. Ay, bakit sinabi ko na Home Depot? City Hardware pala. Ay, naku, move on, Yellen. Move on from the Home Depot. Yan, so dito na tayo, guys.
Living with Asian lifestyle.
Meron sila dito mga Boston Bay. I like this brand. And I like this, either this or black na color next time. Halika dito na. So, dito tayo kay Daddy. BK, support tayo ba? Support. Support tayo kay Daddy.
Which one you like? This one or this one?
This one I actually like this one because
I figure you like this one.
Yeah, it's cuter. Well, actually, she can just put it on her bed while she's sleeping.
I'm watching you.
Yeah. Ito ang mas gusto ni Rachel. Oh.
I prefer this one better compared to that.
Requesting Joe Marie CIC to check out, please.
Yeah, they're calling somebody, like one of the workers to assist somebody. So, mauna ni siya ang kay Rachel. So, by the way, we just want to share with you guys itong bago naming nabiling item. It's an inversion table. Maganda ito siya, guys, kasi even nung nandun pa kami sa US, gumagamit yung asawa ko nito kasi may back pain siya. Ang kagandahan nito, it relieves nerve pain by using gravity para ma-decompress yung spine tapos na-reduce yung pressure sa ating spinal nerves. So, na-relieve talaga yung pain. So, it's up to you guys to research. Like, for example, if my husband kayo or you are suffering from pain, it's up for you to make a diligent research. But anyway, meron siya ditong guys, so adjustable siya kasi nakalagay dito kung anong height mo in either feet or yung centimeter, ganyan. So, pwede mo siyang ma-adjust. And then, yung orange nga pala, guys, is the lock. Yan siya, and unlock. So, i-unlock mo siya kapag you are about to get into the machine. And then after that, you can lock it. Okay, so that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching our video. I hope you like it. Please like and subscribe. Bye!